loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here with a special project video. I don't know if you want to call this a DIY or a decorate with me, but I am here because I'm going to decorate my VB pens. Yes, pause for the gas. Yes, I'm going to decorate my VB pens. Never fear, I'm not going to destroy them. So if any of you got the most recent VB kit, then you saw these super cute dainty stickers that came in this August kit, which is called VB Studios. And if you follow Tiffany, you might have saw where she add one of these icons on her pens. And then I've seen a couple of people actually put these on their nails. What I've decided to do, since these are rose gold accents, was to put these on my pens that all had rose gold hardware. Now this is just a little bit of my collection. I don't have a huge collection, but I do have quite a few pens. But I wanted to go ahead and dress up my VB pens with these icons. So what I'm going to do, because these are so tiny, I'm going to warp speed this just so you can see, and then I will come back and show you what they look like.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two over, two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two over, two out the door. There you have magic.
So all of my rose gold hardware Villabeautifful pens has the dainty stickers on there, and I still have a few left, so I can use this for something else. But I really think they're so cute. It kind of gives it like a custom look to it. So just to kind of show you each one individually, this one I put the little rose gold with the pink on there because it kind of matches that pink right there. And this one and this one, they actually came in the VB kit. This one actually is the VB Studio pen, and they have the matte finish. And this was the anniversary pen that she included. This one has the cute little hearts. Let me see. Did y'all see those ones clearly? Let me go back. I know that whole close-up thing does something to you. This one has the little pouty lips, super cute. This one has the rose gold bow, and this has the clear backing, so that's why it looks more like it's etched in. Gotta be delicate with these pens. This one has the eyeglasses, and this one has the coffee cup with the eyelashes, and then that's the rose gold with the clear backing. I'm gonna try my best not to drop these. And then this one has the coffee cup with the black backing and the eyelashes. This one is really saying something. The black lipstick, which is the black backing with the rose gold trim. This is the bow, and I thought it matched really pretty with this shade. And this one here with the rose gold bow. And this was a collab pen that she did with Van Sticky, and those pens where you would have to purchase off her first site. And then this one right here, I love these lips, super cute. And then this one has the hearts. And another rose. Another bow. And then another coffee cup. So these again are just the ones that I have with the rose gold hardware, and I thought they went perfectly because these are all rose gold trimming. So let me know what you're doing with your decals if you got the VBKit. Like I said, I did see Tiffany do this, and I think one of my fellow I don't know if they I don't know, but anyway, somebody had it in their fingernails. So they got the, you know, polish on top. Like, I could legit put this on top of mine, but only reason I don't want to do that because then once you take the nail polish off, you can't use these anymore. So I decided to put them on my pen because I really was tempted when I go get my fill in to have one of these icons put on my nails, but then I thought about it and I'm like, nah. Because not unless you're going to sell more of these, I don't want to risk, you know, not having them. So anyway, I decided to do the pins. And, you know, just something fun. Like, I really like the fact that she added these icons in the kit this time around. I believe this is the first time that she did this, and she hit a home run with doing these because you can do so much to them. I mean, you can put them on your tweezers if you want. You can put them on your Starbucks cups if you want to. You can put them on anything that has a metal surface or what have you. I mean, you can put them on your laptop. I mean, it's endless. So in the comments box, let me know how you are using your dainty stickers. If you follow me on Instagram at herlovelyplan, tag me in your photos so I can see how you use them. And I would love to repost them and share so other people can have ideas. So if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this little hack to make your VB pens look like they're custom made, give me a big old thumbs up. And as well, like I said, drop me a comment below and let me know how you'll be using your dainty stickers. And if you haven't already done so at this point, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. Okay? So if this video has inspired you, do me a favor and share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.